Welcome to Ajastro Mini Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and in-depth analysis of global commodities. Today, we'll delve into the copper market, exploring the recent price trends, key factors influencing its recovery, and the performance of other major industrial metals. Let's uncover what's shaping the market landscape this week. Copper prices made a modest recovery on Wednesday, November 13th, after facing significant declines over the past three trading sessions. On the London Metal Exchange, the 3-month copper contract saw a slight increase of 0.2%, reaching $9,163.50 per metric ton. This came as a relief after prices hit their lowest level since mid-September, at $9,107 per metric ton on Tuesday. However, in China, the narrative was less encouraging. The December copper contract on the Shanghai Futures Exchange dropped by 1.3%, settling at 74,830 yuan, $10,360 per ton. This decline reflects the persistent concerns about muted demand in the world's largest consumer of industrial metals. One of the significant factors limiting copper's recovery is the strength of the US dollar, which remains near a 6.5-month high. A robust dollar makes dollar-denominated metals like copper more expensive for international buyers, putting pressure on global demand. At the same time, concerns over China's economic slowdown continue to weigh heavily on market sentiment. While some measures have been introduced to stabilize the economy, the lack of aggressive stimulus from the Chinese government has left industrial metal demand stagnant. This has raised doubts about copper's short-term recovery, particularly in construction and manufacturing, sectors that rely heavily on this vital metal. Market analysts, including Southern Financial, suggest that copper may be approaching the lower boundary of its trading range. They predict a potential moderate rebound in the coming weeks. However, uncertainties surrounding the global economic environment persist, particularly regarding US-China relations. The recent election of President-elect Donald Trump has further added to market caution, as any shifts in US trade policies could significantly impact global copper demand. Beyond copper, other industrial metals displayed a mixed performance. On the London Metal Exchange, aluminum prices remained relatively stable. Nickel experienced a slight uptick, rising by 0.3% to $15,945 per ton, while zinc and lead both posted modest gains. Zinc edged up to $2,948 per ton, and lead increased to $2,033.50 per ton. Tin, however, declined by 0.7%, settling at $30,000 per ton. The Shanghai Futures Exchange also mirrored this mixed sentiment. Aluminum prices fell 1.5%, nickel dropped by 1%, and tin plunged by 3.5%, highlighting the broader market volatility. On the other hand, lead prices in Shanghai surged, reflecting stronger regional demand. In conclusion, the copper market finds itself at a crossroads. While there are signs of a potential rebound, the recovery remains fragile due to a strong US dollar, economic uncertainty in China, and broader global challenges. The mixed performance across other industrial metals further underscores the complex dynamics at play in the commodity markets. Thank you for joining us on Ajastro Mini Guru, where we bring you the most detailed and insightful analysis of global commodities. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who follow the markets, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to provide you with timely insights into the world of commodities. See you soon.